So sabi dyan, and the Lord said, my presence shall go with you and I will give you rest. Pag ginawa natin yung basic lifestyle natin, I will assure you kapatid, the presence of the Lord will go with you. And ano daw? And He will give you rest. Sa ibang translation, sabi dyan, and the Lord said, my presence shall go with you, Moses, and everything will be fine. Grabe. Grabe, Lord. Everything will be fine. 'Di ba? Grabe. So, lahat ng ginagawa natin, make sure natin nakasama natin ang Diyos sa taong 2026. So, mahirap man or hindi man maganda ang takbo ng buhay, if the Lord is with us, who can be against us? If the Lord is with us, ano pa Lord yung ikakaalala ko? Yung rest na sinasabi dyan is yung peace sa heart natin that transcends all understanding. Di ba? Yung, Lord, ano man yung mangyari sa buhay ko, alam ko, nakasama kita, and you will give me rest. Yung rest na tinutukoy dyan ng Lord is yung rest na kasama mo siya, that everything will be fine. Amen!